Hi everyone, it's Mrs. Burdick, the reading coach. I have a selection to share with you today. The Cafeteria Lady from the Black Lagoon. This book is written by Mark Thaler and the pictures are by Jared Lee. Let's read this selection. The Cafeteria Lady from the Black Lagoon. We got a new cafeteria lady today. Her name is Wanda Belch. Eric says that instead of a car, she drives a garbage truck to school. Freddie heard that she learned to cook on a pirate ship, so don't go near the kitchen. Derek says that at Wanda's old school, people found sneakers and baseball caps in her tuna surprise. And when class pets disappeared, the kids made sure to check the specials the next day. All the kids say that Wanda uses natural ingredients in her dishes. Organic rats in her ratatouille, sweaty socks in her moussaka, gooey ghouls in her goulash, and real sand and witches in her sandwiches. We heard Wanda's into recycling. The water that she washes the dishes in will be tomorrow's soup of the day. I heard she doesn't throw anything away. I wonder what Wanda's cooking up right now. Today's menu will probably be roadkill ravioli, spaghetti with bowling balls, souffle of science experiments, and toxic waste tacos. For dessert, we might have ton cake, which is pound cake, only heavier. Even if you can't eat the food, they say it's always good for something. The meatballs are aerodynamic. The mashed potatoes are good for sculpting, and the pudding will stick to anything. And the spinach is great for vinyl repairs. I hope the spaghetti will make good shoelaces. Uh-oh, it's time for lunch. I'm too young to die. Can't we have a math test instead? Isn't it time for vaccinations? We're being lined up and marched down to the cafetorium. I'll bet Wanda's stirring up poisonous pots full of molten messes of steamy slime. We're through the door. We get our trays. They don't even blindfold us. Hey, Wanda doesn't look so bad. And look, she made hamburgers and French fries. They smell good if you take your hand off your nose. I'm going to get two. Gobble, gobble, munch, munch, look out, stomach, here comes lunch. Hey, these taste great. Maybe I'll get three more. There are even homemade chocolate chip cookies for dessert. Lunchtime is going to be my favorite class. Maybe Wanda will let us stay for dinner. I hope you enjoyed our selection, The Cafeteria Lady from the Black Lagoon. Now, I want you to think about a sentence frame for me. This is my frame. I think blank because blank. Now, this is a frame. You may not need to use a sentence frame, but I want you to think about this sentence. I think the students were scared of Wanda before they met her because, now you answer why. Why were those students afraid of Wanda Belch before they ever even knew her? I hope you enjoyed this selection. Boys and girls, remind the adult in your house to subscribe to the Paget Coaches Corner YouTube channel. And remember, stay safe, be kind, and this is Mrs. Burdick out.